Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to log in into your Temu account in 2025. If you just reinstalled the app or got logged out and can't find your way back in, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to log in fast and safely. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app or visit the Temu website on your browser. On the main screen, tap You or Account at the bottom menu. Then tap Sign In or Register. Now, you see a few login options. You can sign in using your email, phone number, or connected Google, Facebook, or Apple account. If you're using your email or phone, type in and tap Continue. Temo will send you a verification code. Check your inbox or text messages and enter that code to confirm. Once verified, you'll be automatically logged in to your Temu account. From there, you can view your profile, orders, and save items as usual. And that's how you log into your Temu account in 2025. If this quick guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more fast app tutorials. See you in the next one.